Forget four-leaf clovers. Instead, celebrate St. Patrick's Day with a collection of super satisfying springtime veggies. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to go green with my recipe for a mouth-watering chickpea shawarma salad. First things first, I put 6 cups of fresh chopped kale into this medium-sized mixing bowl. This dark leafy green is loaded with vitamins K and C. Add 1 tablespoon of Gustari Vita olive oil, 2 teaspoons of fresh lime juice, and a sprinkling of Hy-Vee salt. Gently massage the ingredients together until the kale is nice and tender. Then mix in 4 cups of romaine lettuce and toss the bowl to combine. Once it's ready, divvy out the salad. Top your serving with a 1/4 cup of cherry tomatoes for antioxidants, a 1/4 cup of sliced red onion for vitamin B, half a sliced avocado for heart-healthy fats, and finally some crunchy chickpeas. After that, all that's left is to dive into your dressing. To make it, we'll need our food processor. Mix in a 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Pulse the processor until the mix is nice and smooth. Then drizzle it on the salad. Top the whole thing off with a lime wedge or 2, and you're ready to celebrate St. Patty's in style. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, connect with your local Hy-Vee dietitian at Hy-Vee.com/health.